The law of cause and effect development. The great Kabbalist of the 20th century, Baal HaSulam, in the article The Last Generation, depicted the law of cause and effect stepwise development of the universe, including inorganic and organic nature, up to man, meaning both his matter, psychology, and ideology. At the heart of the universe are two forces, positive and negative. The development of the universe is a consequence of the collision of these two forces. Let us take planet Earth as an example. First, it was but a ball of fog-like gas. Through the gravity inside it, over time, it concentrated the atoms in it into a closer circle. As a result, the ball of gas became a liquid ball of fire. Over eons of terrible wars between the two forces in Earth, the positive and the negative, the chilling force in it was finally triumphant over the force of liquid fire. It cooled a thin crust around the Earth and hardened there. Thus, the eons interchanged, and each time the cooling force prevailed, the crust it made grew thicker. Finally, the positive forces overpowered the negative ones and came into complete harmony. The liquids took their place in the bowels of the earth, and the cold crust became thick enough around them to enable the creation of organic life atop it, as it is today. Baal HaSulam, the article The Last Generation. No species gives birth to another. The next form occurs as the result of unfolding of the desire to receive. This desire grows, develops, and becomes more complex, and it acts as a press that pushes out the next form. Finished development of one, click on the press, and out of the box pops another form. Implements itself, then a third appears. And here's what's interesting. All the contents of the box are defined in advance. It exists ready-made in its potential. The purposefulness of gradual development. The length of the development period depends on the level at which the two forces, positive and negative, are acting. The inanimate level has been formed for billions of years. Vegetative, much faster. Animal, even faster. And the development of the human level in comparison with them can take seconds. The development of material forms is the unfolding of the desire to receive. Although the desire at the human level is deeper and more complex than animal, vegetative, and inanimate desire, it takes less time to develop. Because this desire is qualitative and more strongly connected with the final goal, with the purpose of creation. The goal, and the very last stage of human development, is a state when all the worlds, including our world, exist in complete harmony, and all nature, both spiritual and material, is penetrated by a common flow of knowledge, energy, and light.